All right, back to that Liberty with the left front cat converter or pipe. All right, after we cut it off and removed it, the hardest part is that clamp. Like I said, once you get the clamp loosened and separated, then the pipe comes out. Then problem number 2 is to disconnect that O2 sensor. That connector is actually in the middle of this frame. The only way you can get it is you have to really stick your hand in there, find the connector, find where the clip is, the red lock clip. Can't get it from the top, can't get it from the front because I already took the skid plate off. You have to do it through this hole. So I got that out, plugged the O2 sensor in after I put the old one back in this one, and now I'm trying to set it up and mock it up so I can get that clamp. Yes, it's a pain in the butt, but customer bought the walker muffler and it came with that gasket. This gasket was taped to over here, like though it's supposed to go to the manifold, but it doesn't fit. This hole is exactly the size of the manifold, so this is either the wrong one, but I looked at the old one don't even have a gasket. So see, the pipe fits right in. You can see the nice clean, just a little pipe that sticks out, 1/4 inch, sticks right in there and tightens up. So that's the way it's going back in. All right, so I mocked it up right there, got the clamp. I'm going to turn the clamp sideways towards the frame so I can tighten it. I'm going to work on that, and after that it's going to be the next O2 sensor here, and then we'll put this together with new bolts and new springs, and then we should be good. But like I said, the tight spot up there, very, very tight. So I'm working on that clamp right now. The clamp is on it, the wrench is on it, and I'm just going to try to tighten it up, and we'll see what happens. All right.